Shillong Muslim Union nanta kasngi kalaipo tarik naitung kabadairu kasngi tap jong Presiden Barim Kari India Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam kala pelong daga jingdawai kerpang kabatip kum ka Islamic ritual prayer in absentia hadien balawai ka namazi zanaja gyabana haga jaka pelong jingdawai kabatip kum ka Madina Mosque kabadan halaban e ka ground haga jingdan rengkat dakibabon ngut ki runget Muslim yakani ka namazi zanaja gyabana laleru haga ju ka rukam kumbala lelang harameswaram haga jella Tamil Nadu kabadai ka jaka kabala tep yo Dr. Abdul Kalam balkhlan haga arphenyo tarik naitung ha Shillong haga ni ka ju kasngi General Secretary ka Shillong Muslim Union Saidullah Nongrum lapan bana baka library kabadai halor ka Islamic Studies kaban suppletion insa aikerteng kum ka APJ Abdul Kalam Islamic Library.
No, as a mark of respect, today I declare, with the permission of my union, everybody, we are going to open the library in his name, Abdul Kalam Azad Islamic Library, because we are continuing this thing, we'll do this. So a remembrance will come for, and throughout the year, we'll have celebration for this thing, but every year on his this thing, that day, that is 27th July, we'll hold a special Quran Khani, and this 40 days also will hold a special Quran Khani in his name, and the prayer will be there.